Looking to take your PC build to the next level? The XPG GAMMIX D45G RGB DDR4 3600MHz 32GB memory kit might just be the perfect solution. With its sleek design and impressive specs, this memory kit is designed to meet the demands of next-generation PC builds. Featuring DDR4 SDRAM technology and a memory speed of 3600MHz, the XPG GAMMIX D45G delivers blazing fast performance that will power through even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a multitasking enthusiast, this memory kit has got you covered. One of the standout features of the XPG GAMMIX D45G is its RGB lighting effects, which add a touch of flair to any build. With support for most RGB software from major motherboard makers, you can customize the lighting to suit your personal style. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a vibrant light show, the choice is yours. But it's not just about looks. The XPG GAMMIX D45G is also designed for compatibility and reliability. With its 288-pin form factor, it fits seamlessly into most desktop motherboards, while support for Intel XMP and AMD X570 chipset ensures easy overclocking for maximum performance. And with a limited lifetime warranty from XPG, you can rest assured that your investment is protected for the long haul. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a newcomer to the scene, the XPG GAMMIX D45G RGB DDR4 3600MHz 32GB memory kit is the ultimate choice for your next build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.